everyone.
Hey, it's 4th of July week, and I'm wondering, where are you going to have your barbecue?
Well, we're here for Open House Tuesdays every week, bringing you new homes. Today, we are in Treasure Island, inside North Bay Village. This is an amazing 2019 mansion, waterfront property. We're going to take you in a minute. Just want to bring in some people in, and if you have any questions and comments as we go through the tour, always leave them below. And like I said, we're in Treasure Island. This is actually 1610 South Treasure Drive.
And it's really an island. It's an island. It's
It really is.
Great location. So
Yes.
when you're working on Brickell or you have to go up to Aventura, you just go west across the bridge. And but wait till you see this house. It's a family house. It's a party house. It's an investment because this is the newest architecture, strongest building codes in the country.
Yes.
And this is really on point style-wise, and there's some really great features that you're going to love. Wait, my favorite is the laundry room, but that's just because I'm strange.
Mine is the dock. It really is island living. You can pull in and pull out from your boat, go to restaurants directly from here, get to downtown, get to Miami Beach. I mean, it really is full service lifestyle of people that live on an island with a boat. I mean, you really get to enjoy all of that.
And
right
I like
here.
it. It's new construction. Once we go inside the house, all you see are dolphins, boats, and downtown.
Manatees, all
but
kinds
it's a
of fun
very,
stuff.
very private home with tons and tons of light inside. It's one of our favorites, and it's also very easy to see.
Yes.
Doris, remind me, what's the list price?
So this property is listed at 5.4.
Okay.
The properties
Negotiable.
around here, the lots themselves go for around $2 million. So, you know, then you build up on it, and like you said, it really incorporates the latest in construction, especially with sea levels rising and all those concerns. So you'll see that the home is much more elevated than the older homes next to it. There's also a brand new home next to it that just got sold for almost $5 million. So, you know, the value is there, and we can't wait to show you the architecture.
And it's a beautiful, beautiful street. And the difference is buying in Treasure Island versus different parts
There's
of
a listing agent right there.
Yeah, Nelson Gonzalez from EWM is here. Let's go check out Nelson's new listing.
Take a look.
What is that little puffball?
It's the microphone so we can hear you better.
Come on in. Welcome to 1610 South Treasure Drive.
Thank you, Nelson. Ooh, look at this. Wow, guys. This is an entrance. Ah, you see the beautiful blue back there? That's the gold. That is gorgeous.
Skyline view.
Nelson, how many feet is these heights? These look like 30, maybe.
These are like 25-foot ceilings in here. Very wide open space. The house is just a hair under 6,000 square feet. 60 feet of waterfront with a spectacular southern exposure and a downtown view.
The best views for 4th of July.
Absolutely. You get
No
sunrise and sunset. I think there's a song in there somewhere.
Let's see.
I'll laugh when I write this contract. That'd be really funny. Nelson's great to work with. Nelson Gonzalez is known for his waterfront listings, and he's really great to work with, too. Free pen with every closing I've heard.
You like to go outside?
Yeah, let's take a look.